My name is Dr. B. Srinivasulu, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about from the last topic of our first unit, that abrasive jet machining. So already we have discussed about the water jet machining. So here the almost of it is equal. Just we are giving some special attachment to the water jet machining. We are getting of a abrasive jet machining. Both concept is same here. Water jet machining and abrasive water jet machining. So see here from the our diagram means abrasive jet water jet machining means here what happened here, abrasive is a particle, water is also a liquid, and jet is a velocity, and machining is a material removal rate here. Previously we have studied the water jet machining means water with the help of a water fluid with a high velocity material removal can be taken place. Just we are adding a abrasive in that one. So already we know the concept of a water jet machining means it is a soft and the non metallic here, high velocity of a water jet, and if there's a very basic set of a concept here also, there will be having a means we are converting of a kinetic energy to the pressure energy means due to of a stress induced on that one, and we are using of a water pressure of a 200 megapascal to the 400 megapascals here means how we are means how the storage can. So from the here also we are studying the same concept from the water jet machining. We are just adding the abrasive, so it will be abrasive water jet machining here. Now from this one, the content, in content we are knowing the what is the introduction, process, mechanism here, and process parameters here, applications here, advantage and disadvantage here. See here from the diagram, from the just from the recollecting of from the water jet machining here. So already we know what is the means of a, here we know this one of a uh, so a fluid of a supply here means of a reservoir to the fluid supply here to the pump to the intensifier to the accumulator to the control, and control to the valve to the nozzle. Here we are adding, I said also previous class also, here we are adding a abrasive means we are adding a one special some other equipment, so that it will be a mixture of a, here it will be take place of a mixture of air and abrasive here. After that it will be a kinetic energy is converted here to the kinetic energy is converting to the pressure energy here. Already we discussed here. So see from the same diagrams here, from the similar diagrams here, from the water jet machining here, same everything here. Now we are studying about the uh, abrasive water jet machining here. It's clear now? See from this one. So here from what happened here. So just abrasive. I'm using of a abrasive and a water jet machining here. So here the same thing. Create from that of a previous to this one. Next of that mixing, then pump, intensifier. Then it is moved towards of a accumulator, control valve here. So what happens? See here from the control valve to the valve here. Then from the here I am using of a abrasive hopper. From here it is mixing here, take place here. Means of a water, and here from the here I am using of a water here. Okay, water from here and the abrasive particle where mixing can take place here. From the nozzle it is gone. So the everything is almost of a same here. Okay, everything means here the abrasive, and here means from the abrasive here and mixing to here towards the water which is coming here. So it will be a mixing chamber which will take place here in between this one. Then it will be a mixing of a water and abrasive. Then its machining operation can be carried out here. Same just of water jet means here we are using of a water. What we are using here, soft and the non-metallic here, and high velocity water. Basic principle is basic principle we have to concentrate on the kinetic energy. We are converting to a pressure energy here, and water pressure is a 200 megapascal to 400, and the very we know that of a storage of a reservoir Means what happened? We are storing that water for the machining process here. That is a very important point. The same thing just now we are saying about the see from the process once again. Just of recollect this one. From here, what happened? Where we are of a reservoir, we are keeping of our water for the machining process here. After that, I am sending to that one to a hydraulic of a pump here. So the hydraulic pump, what happened here? Will after the hydraulic pump, it is used to means circulate and water from the storage during the machining of a process. After that, what happened here? After this, I am sending to the here pump. Pump is nothing but which is having a 4 bar, and now it is a means of a converting of a means of a means here deliver the intensifier to when it is delivered to the intensifier here. So when it is delivered to the hydraulic pump of a pump to the intensifier, it will be converted to a 11 bar here. After when it is reaches to the accumulator, it will be a convert of a 300 to the 3000 to a 4000 of a bar. It is means it will be a converted means of when I am sending of a water to the intensifier to the accumulator here. So here the accumulator is a stores the pressurized. Means we know that it is a very high pressure here. Means 300, 3000 of a to a 4000 of a bar it is having. But whatever is very difficult. So it is a accumulator is used to control that one. Accumulator is used to control this one of a here pressure, so that it will be a vibration will not occur here. So accumulator is to it is a pressurized means it is control that one. So means it store the high pressurized with a temporary and it supplies and move forward of it to the control here. Okay, means after that the control means here what happened, there will be a pressure and it gives the direction to the valve where will be moving downwards here. So here I am adding of a abrasive particle. It may be a same thing. Abrasive particle may be a silicon oxide, aluminum carbide, here glass of a beads we can also here. That is depend upon the situation. Okay. After that we are just is that mixing can be taken place of a chamber is take place of a water and the abrasive here. From it is a moving, and we know the nozzle is made up of a surface here. So then what happened here? It will be a moving down. Now it is converting from the uh, kinetic energy to the uh, pressure energy. So it will be a very important that we have to maintain the standard distance also. After that, it is a machining operation can be carried out, and then and the catcher system is after the we know that one means machining after that there will be a debris and machine of a particle from the waters or abrasives of a separated out with the help of then whatever is coming up it can be removed here. So water, so it is a mixture of abrasive, so we are not using of a once again of that because water we can recycle, but abrasive particle is a mixing, so it is difficult on that one. So we are not using of a recycling on that. This one. Is clear? Now see from the same thing from the water jet machining, just we are adding of abrasive on that one. So abrasive water jet machining here. Now so water abrasive water jet machining. This is a we know that one. There is a non-traditional or non-conventional machining. We know that one. Means there is a no for directly contact. Means tool is a contact with the workpiece. Means there will be having a conventional. If there is a no tool is a contact with the workpiece, means there will be a non-traditional, non-conventional machining process here. And this is a group of a non-conventional like of a we know the first topic of a ultrasonic machining, abrasive jet machining. This is also some form. This is also a form of this mechanical. So this is also a mechanical form here. Okay, abrasive jet means ultrasonic machining and abrasive jet machining and a water jet machining and abrasive water jet machining. This is the last topic of our first unit also, and this is a mechanical conversion here. Okay, means if I say of a mechanical means years of a kinetic energy is converted into a pressure energy. That also comes in a conversion here. Okay, and this process water jet machining and abrasive water jet machining, the mechanical energy of water and the abrasive phase are used to achieve the material. We know that one. Just now I said of a means the mixing water can directly with the it can machining the operation, metal removal, material removal can be taken place, or if adding the abrasive on the water also we can removal of material can be taken place. Means here what happened here, we can go with the water jet machining or we can also go with the abrasive water jet machining also. See from the diagram, okay. Then the process. We know that one with a high pressure, with a 1500 to a 4000 of a here with a high velocity and with a speed of a sound of a water jet is a means we know that when a is a bombardment on the surface. When the high velocity of a water jet of a direct to a target to the way of a velocity means when it is striking on the workpiece, it becomes of a 0 to a 0 here sinking. So here the kinetic of a jet is converted to a pressure, high pressure. Just now I said of it, converting can be taken. Means here take place. When this will take place here, see here, from this energy means from this area to a kinetic energy, it is converted into when it is bombarded on the workpiece here. So here is a converting of a kinetic energy to the pressure energy here. Now coming to the see here, erosion is a pressure is a more than the strength of a material here, and the mechanism if I say of a means uh, what we call as a given the amount of a energy is a concentrated on the onto a very small point to cause a the material removal energy is of a order of we know that one 10 watt and the kinetic energy is connected to the pressure same thing mechanism can be taken same this process is same everything is same here same so that is a repetition of a words are coming here and the localize of a comprise of a failure which is occur when the local fluid of a pressure exceeds the strength of the target of a material also. In the same way, ductile and the erosion to the herring shearing of action here. So see from the setup of a machine here, see there will be having a some means of a tank here, tank to the then it will be having a air pump. Then it means of a is a controller here. See from the this is a tank means after that after last means is a drain also we can say drain also we can say here so here the controlling, now we start from this one, okay, means how the programming can be taken, control can be taken place here, and the pump of a here we are means we are maintaining of a water here. So after that water storage of a water can be taken place here. After the pump, it is moved to the nozzle here. Means this is connected to the nozzle here. So how it can be a goes here means everything can be set up here. So now we study from this one. Okay, from the controller here, the programming we are doing in this one. After the controlling means there is a of a take place here. Water to the pump and pump to the intensifier to the accumulator. Accumulator can be done here. So accumulator can be means here in this one. Okay. So the accumulator can be motion means it gives the here inside. Okay, this one this is the accumulator. Then after the accumulator, what happens? There will be a control valve. Then here will be a valve of a mixing of a abrasive of a delivery system can be taken place here. So in between this one. So after that water, it is a move towards the nozzle here. Means the mixture of a abrasive particles. It may be a silicon, it may be a glass beads, silicon oxide, glass bead, aluminum oxide, or it is a mix with this one of a water. Then from this nozzle, it will get out. So there will be a maintenance. Means from the pump of a reservoir to the water to the tank to the pump to the we are saying of a abrasive of a delivery of a systems can be taken means take place here due to due to motion of a system here accumulator and the control valve to the valve here. So here after that it will move forward and the mixture of abrasive and the uh, water from the nozzle it is moving out here. So after that now we are going to what is the pump here. We know that one the water is the pump at a sufficiently high pressure. You know the pump with having a high pressure, it may be a means of a just I said of a means of a 4 bar or 11 bar is a converting into a 11 means of a 3000 or a 4000 of a bar using of intensifier of a technology. Then accommodator is to control the vibration here. Fluctuating should not be taken place. So intensifier pressure is amplified using a hydraulic cylinder of a different of a cross of a sections of a jute bell of a presses. It will be a viva question. Sometimes they may ask you. So here the what happens, the water is should mean just I said of a suitable orifice of a point to a point 4 of a mm of a diameter. Here is the pressure energy converted to kinetic energy suitable in a high velocity of a pure of a water jet machining is a commercial tap water is used and a jet enters of a atmosphere air and the presence of a out. In the same way, abrasive water jet machining are entered into a water, silicon oxide, just now I said glass beads, which is having abrasive particles. I am saying, okay, abrasive particles. So it may be 800 meter per second can be machined almost any material. And here, see from this diagram, means here I am using of a water jet Means here is a water jet is coming in that one. After that, it will be having a abrasive particles. These are the abrasive particles here. Hello, said okay. When this will be a mixing chamber can be taken place here. Mixing of a take place here. It will be a mixing chamber. Will be take place here of a water and abrasive particle. Then it is a moving down here of a focusing of a tube. We can also say interaction with a means of a this of a mixture of abrasive and the water with a focusing of a tube means we can say that is a erosion of a wear because erosion of a wear can be taken. That is a 90% of a titanium we can say tungsten of a material is there we can say. Abrasive particle are gradually accelerated through the transfer of movement from the water phase to the abrasive phase here. And when jet leaves on focusing of a tube, the water and the jet are assumed to be same velocity. That is the focusing of a tube. I'm saying of okay, that will be having a erosion of a wear here, and ID values of a length can be taken place here. The same okay. Now coming to the nozzle, see from the same thing here also the inlet of a water here. How inlet? Then here I just said of a some special attachment to the abrasive to be a interrupt to this nozzle here. Then the mixing tube can be taken place here. Okay, and there will be a say or it will be a high velocity. So the high velocity of a pressure is going out here. So there will be a which can withstand that one, and it may be having see here. So it may be inlet of a water when it is coming out. There will be a special attachment like a abrasive particle moving forward. Then there will be a mixing of a water and the abrasive. That is a very basic concept here. So it is a schematic diagram of the abrasive water jet machining here. Okay. So the nozzle diagram that is now the here the same thing. The intent of a type of a abrasive water jet machining is the same thing. Pressure value. See from this one of a means how the HP of a water from the pump, pressure level, isolator, and the suspension. This is a suspension of a type we can say pressure level. Then we are saying of a from the abrasive. See how it can be mixed here. Bypass can be taken place here. Okay, and restriction valve. Then is a high pressure of a water pump. See from this to this area. Okay, how it can be taken place here. So the abrasive water jet, which is finally comes from that focusing tube or a nozzle, can be used to machine of a different material. Okay, so these are the and the catcher. We know that one after the flushing out, so there will be a catcher of the drain. So it is the water basin, steel, or a ceramic balls or a catcher plates here. If I say the TI catcher plate of a TI, D means titanium diboride. Also we can use on that one. Okay, there are the here. Very important point on the abrasive water jet machining is a where that is a mechanism of material remove means we are using of a brittle material. If you use just last time also means the crack initiate and the propagation of brittle failure can be occur here. So we are using of a hard material of a ductile of a material we are using on a with a good finishing operation can be done on the ductile of a material here, and we are using of a orifice of a means of a nozzle. We are saying a sphere of a 0.1 to a 0.3 mm of a diameter here, and a focusing tube of a zero point 0.8 to a 0.4 2.4 of mm. Pressure of a means that is a focusing tube. It may be a wear erosion wear. Okay, pressure of a set of a 2500 to a 4000 bar here. Abrasive granite and abrasive flow standoff distance from the nozzle to the workpiece. It's maybe a 1 to 2 mm, and the machine impact of angle 60 to 8 maybe angle can be taken to 60 or to a 90-degree of any time. We can go ahead with that one, and the transfer speeds and the depth of cut here. So we can, and the applications we know that one it can be remove the paints and cutting of a soft material, and frozen of a material also, frozen meat also we can cut with this with the help of, because it is not corrosion can be taken place. So frozen meat also can be cut by using a water jet machining process also. Water jet machining process here, and the textile leather mask emission surgery. We are going with that, and the peening and the cutting and the pocket milling and the drilling also we can buy this type of a water abrasive water jet machining here. Advantage is it cheaper. We know that it is a cheap compared to the other machining process here, and mild steel, copper, brass, aluminum, brittle materials like glass, ceramics, quartz, and the cut of a thin of a means of a thick of a stuff. And we know that no heat is generated because it is itself is a water here. So what happens? No heat is generated here. So when abrasive also mixed with that one also, it will reduce that heat here, and are very safe here, and machine stacks of a thin parts at all once. But only the one disadvantage in this one is a means is a limited number of material can be cut off economically here. That's one disadvantage here, and but it will take a lot of time to cut a very lot of time is required to cut one part, and also it can go with a very thin parts only. It is a, that is also a one disadvantage of this one here. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Up to here we have cleared about our first unit. Now tomorrow onwards we are going for the second unit.